Hello everyone, this is 5th episode of XY Global Service Story. Today, let's talk to our Kevin. The story between him and his customer may help you customize your mechanical part and gain more effective experience.
Hi everyone, this is Kevin from XY Global. Today I will share my story with my customer.
So can you briefly introduce the background of this project?
Yeah, the client is from Canada and the product is a customer precision part using sport equipment.
What is the final use of application Sereno of the project?
Well, it's used as a grab handle adapter plate, basically a mounting plate that helps secure the handle on the equipment.
What process is our product made of? And what material is it made of?
Well, it's made of aluminum alloy 6061 and produced through CNC machining.
What specific requirements do customers have for the product?
They wanted a clean surface with no tool marks and several edges needed to stay sharp.
Are there any special requirements for delivery, function, or appearance?
Yes, the customer had particularly high standards for the appearance. There should be no machining marks and multiple surfaces needed to return clean, sharp edges.
What is the biggest challenge encountered during the process?
The part has many surfaces and some tricky angles. The most challenging part was a raised area with an inclined face. It needed extra care to machine properly.
How is the processing cycle and quality control guaranteed?
We have efficient production, plenty of machines, and experienced operators. Plus, our process is ISO 9001 certified, and we use multi-level inspections, incoming, in process, and final checks, and to make sure the quality is solid.
What is the final delivery effect?
The result actually exceeded the customer expectations. They were really happy with the outcome.
Did the customer provide any feedback or suggestion? Did this project lead to subsequent cooperation?
Yeah, the client was very pleased with the product. We are now in discussions regarding the next phase, which involves an anodizing treatment.
What do you think is the most valuable experience in this project?
This project brought the client to visit our factory. That face-to-face visit helped us better understand their real needs and allowed us to make a more precise, well-matched product. Direct communication is always more efficient.
Thank you for watching our service story. XY Global, your one-stop, high-value, low-quantity mechanical partner.
See you next time.